To build this CNC machine, I have followed 3D printer like design, as initially I have planned to use one frame for both CNC and 3D printer. In my previous build, I have found some flaws and improved those issues in this update. I didn't have any type of support rail in the Z-axis, so I have added support rail mgn12h to improve stability and strength in the Z-axis. In the Y-axis, I have replaced DIY support holder with the SK08 rod holder and KP08 pillow bearing blocks. Previously, I have used a Vero board to connect RAM's board and ESP32 by wires, which was very clumsy and loosely connected. So I have designed an assembly circuit to connect RAMs and ESP32 board with other required modules. In this schema, I have used a 74125 level shifter because the MOSFET gate cannot be directly triggered by the 3 voltage logic output of the ESP32 GPIO. Important note, as the RAM's board is mainly developed for 3D printer, there is no flyback diode to protect the MOSFET, which used to power the spindle motor. After destroying some MOSFETs, I realized the reason and resolved the problem by adding a flyback diode in parallel with the spindle motor's input power.